Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve this look, the Spider-Man inspired look on my nails. Very simple, very easy. So I'll definitely show you how you can get this done at home as well. So here, and these are actually press-on nails, as promised, that I'll show you how I do my press-on nails. So these are press-on nails. I'm just painting them at the moment. I'm going to paint 4 of them red and 1 white to achieve this look. So let's go. And after I've done this, I'm also going to give them a second coat of red and white, just so that they don't look too thin. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm also going to put on my top coat before I put on the design. So now we're ready to do the design. What I did was to use a marker. Yes, so I used a marker to put some dots where I wanted to draw the lines. You don't have to do this. You can just draw them freely if you want, but this is how I decided to do it because I wanted to be sure of where I'm drawing my lines. So that's why I did this first. I'll also be doing it on the thumb nail as well. So you'll see some dots on that one as well. So you can just continue watching to see how I actually achieve that design. So here I'm about to draw the spider on the nail. So I use my marker again. You don't have to use your marker, but I just wanted to make sure that my spider is gonna look like I want it to. So I just use the marker to draw it first, and then I will use my nail polish to draw over that. So the first time I did this, I didn't have to use a marker, and it turned out pretty well. But as I said, I just wanted to make sure that it's gonna look, or it has the look that I'm going for first. So that's why I did that. Yes, there you have it, your Spider-Man inspired nails. So we're all done. Now I'm going to add another top coat. Remember to ensure that your nail is dry before you add the top coat to it, and then that's it. So that was easy, right? Yes, it was. So you can now do your nails at home using your nail polish and your nail art brush. As simple as that. So what I'm going to do next is, once it's dry, I'm going to add a regular glue to glue on the nails. However, I would suggest you use the brush on glue And also you can buy sticky pads. I've seen where a lot of persons have said those work much better. So, and the nail will actually stay on much longer. So you can have these on for at least 2 weeks once you attach them properly. So there you go. Thank you so much again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for those who haven't subscribed as yet. And I'll be back again with another video. So subscribe so you can be updated as soon as I am back. Thank you again so much for watching.